Okay, so I was thinking about making this video since a long time, as many of you ask for the applications I use, the wallpaper app I prefer, and so on. So here is everything that I use or keep on my Android device. Well, technically not everything, as there are 100 apps at least, but I am sharing only the useful ones with you guys. By the way, before we move further, a tap on that subscribe button would really help the channel out and will keep you posted about all the latest content. So basically I use this Google Pixel 4a as my daily driver, and this one is running on Android 12 beta as of now. Hence you can see these cool looking widgets and the Material You theme. And basically I use the Pixel launcher sometimes, and as usual I customize my home screen with some of the applications and folders that I need, and I resize the widget to look like this, so it looks a bit cool. And apart from that, there is a clock and calendar widget to keep a track of my meetings and day in general. But my go-to launcher is either Nova Launcher or Launchair, and I'm using Nova Launcher Pro version as it is one of the lightest and most well-working applications of all time. And the UI here is also close to stock, so no worries there. Anyways, on the top of Nova Launcher, the icon pack that I'm using is called Splendid, so you can get these easily from the Play Store. And apart from that, I have customized the launcher a bit by hiding the app names from the home screen and setting the icon size as per my taste. Oh yeah, and for the wallpaper app, the application that I prefer is Backdrops and Pix Wallpapers app. So this wallpaper is taken from there only, just in case you are wondering. And the second Pix Wallpaper apps has all the Material You and stock Android wallpapers. Hence I like it especially on my Pixel 4a. Okay, apart from that, in the app drawer, you can see I have this apps and work division, and this is because of an application called iland. So with this application you can do some interesting stuff. First is dividing your work and personal applications. So in the application you will see that it has two options, mainland and island, which basically means nothing other than your personal apps and work apps. And thus you can make clones of any application you like, just like the parallel apps feature that you see on every other phone. The major difference being all the applications are allowed to be cloned in this, and you can use multiple accounts quite easily with this application, which keeps a lot of stuff sorted. So whenever you are done, just click on turn off work apps and they won't send you a notification from that time till you turn on the work apps again. So I find this one to be nifty and useful, not just on this device but any device that I use. Apart from that, I use this Facer application for hundreds of watch faces for my Oppo watch, and this app is one of the best as it has some great watch faces that I really like to use overall. Now for the music player of my choice, I use PowerAmp. So this is a paid application and is one of the best music players that you will ever come across, and it doesn't cost that much as well. Apart from a ton of features like a good equalizer and well polished UI, there is a lot that you will like about this music player. So a big thumbs up for this one. And for those of you who don't like to spend, well, you can try out Phonograph music player as it has no ads and has a clean and functional UI that I really like. Also, if you are someone who likes to download music from your favorite applications like Spotify, YouTube Music and JioSaavn, well, this application called Spotify does this all for you. And I'll drop a link to this application in the description area as it is not on Play Store obviously. But this application works like a charm and lets you download all the music files in high quality that you can play with any music player, and it's very convenient overall. And last but not the least, I use this Drink Water Reminder application that just keeps on reminding me to keep myself hydrated as I often forget or skip that. Yeah, I'm damn lazy. But this application keeps on reminding after every few hours to drink a glass of water and asks me to keep a log of it too. So it can help me to reach my daily goal, which to be frank is something everyone should take care of. And that's pretty much it that I would like to share as of now. So if you want me to make more videos like this one, drop a comment down below and press that like button while you're at it. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel while you're there. Thanks for watching this video and I'll see you guys in the next one.